Hello. අපි අද ඉගෙන ගන්න යන්නේ AI tool එකක් පාවිච්චි කරලා කොහොමද අපි software එක උදාහරණ කොටසක් හරි නැත්නම් software එකක් හරි ඉගෙන ගන්න කොහොමද බලන්න යන්න. මම මේකට පාවිච්චි කරන Excel sheet එකක්. ඒ Excel sheet එකේ functions ලියන්න කොහොමද AI use කරන්නේ කියලා. මම මේකට use කරන tool එක තමයි Google Studio AI කියන එක. මුලින්ම Google එකේ search කරමු Google Studio කියලා. එතකොට අපිට පළවෙනි search එකෙන් මේ Google Studio AI කියන option එක අපි මේක සර්ච් කරලා පස්සේ Google Studio AI එකට මුලින්ම අපි Google account එකක් පාවිච්චි log වෙලා හිටිනවා හොඳයි. ඒක අපි අපේ තියෙන user account එකක් පාවිච්චි කරලා Google Studio AI එකට log වෙන්න පුළුවන්. log වෙලා log වුණාම පස්සේ අපිට මෙතන වම් අත පැත්තේ තියෙනවා එක options ටිකක්. ඒක අපිට streaming real time කියන එක click කරන්න පුළුවන්. stream real time click කරලා අපිට මේකේ share your screen කියන එක දීලා අපි open කරන්න Excel sheet එක select කරලා ගන්න window එකෙන් අපි මේ Google Studio AI එකට ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඊට පස්සේ අපිට අපි කරන විදිය බලමු කොහොමද කියලා. Hi Google.
Hi there. What can I help? How can I help you?
Hello, can you see my shared Excel sheet?
Yes, I can see your shared Excel sheet. It appears to have columns for ID, first name, last name, gender, and full name with some data already populated. Is there anything specific you'd like to do with the sheet?
Yes.
Okay, what would you like to do with the Excel sheet?
I want to put E column to full name using
Okay, so you want to
first name and last name.
Okay, so you want to combine the first name and last name from columns B and C to create the full name in column E. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, I can help you with that. In cell E2, you would enter the formula equals B2 and C2. Then you can drag that formula down to fill the rest of the column. Would you like me to explain that formula in more detail?
Yes, can you explain? I type equal B2, then?
Okay, I see you've started the formula with equals B2. The next step is to add the ampersand symbol, which looks like this, and. This symbol combines text strings, so you'll want to put a space in between the first and last name. Can you try typing that now?
Yes, I want to put space, first name and last name.
Okay, after the ampersand, you'll want to add a space in quotation marks, like this. Then, add another ampersand, followed by C2. Okay, you've got equals B2 and so far. Now, add another ampersand and then type C2. That will combine the first name, a space, and the last name into column E.
Now you can enter. Now I can enter.
Great. Once you press enter, the full name should appear in cell E2. Then you can click on the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell and drag it down to automatically fill the full names for all rows below. Do you have any other questions about that?
No, this one okay.
Okay, it looks like you've successfully used the formula to create the full names in column E. Is there anything else I can help you with in this spreadsheet or any other tasks?
Yes, now F column, I want to add
Okay, what?
ID number and combine
Okay.
First name
Okay, you'd
in
like to.
capital format.
Okay, you'd like to combine the ID number from column A with the first name in column B, formatted with the first name in all caps, and put the result in column F. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, let's start with the formula in cell F2. You'll want to enter equals A2 and upper B2. This formula will combine the ID from column A with the uppercase version of the first name from column B. Would you like me to explain what each part of this formula does?
Yes, I type already A2 and sign, then.
Okay, after the ampersand, you'll need to add a space in quotation marks, like this. Then, add another ampersand, followed by the function upper, B2. This function will make the first name all capital letters.
Then upper, then I want type B2. Then
Exactly. After the up-PR function, you should type B2 inside the parentheses, and then close the parentheses like this, up-PR, B2. Then you can hit enter. Do you want to try that now?
yes, I write this way.
Okay, I
I
see the
didn't want
formula
this
worked,
space.
and 1 Kelsey is now in cell F2. To populate the rest of the column, click the small square in the bottom right corner of the cell, and drag it down to the bottom of your data. Do you have any other questions about that?
Yes, but I didn't want to this space. Number one and between.
Okay, I understand. You want to combine the ID and the uppercase first name without a space.
Yes.
To do that, okay, then in cell F2, you should use the formula equals A2 and upper B2. This will combine the ID from cell A2 with the uppercase version of the first name from cell B2 with no space in between. Would you like me to explain how this formula works?
Now I type this way. This one correct or not?
Okay, it looks like you've started typing the formula as equals A2 and upper B2. Now you can press enter and see the result in cell F2. Then you can drag the formula down the column as before. Does that make sense?
Yes, it's correct. Now I can drag like this way.
Okay, it looks like you've successfully dragged the formula down and applied it to the entire column. Everything appears correct. Is there anything else you'd like help with or any other questions?
Okay, thank for this.